Hey YouTube, MI Timberwookie here. I'm going to tell you a little story. The other day I was walking through a large home improvement store and I came through an aisle which had a lot of for sale signs, garage sale signs, keep out, stuff like that. And I found this little sign stand. And it was only about, I think it was $1.30. And I got to looking at it and I thought, you know, we could cut that up and make a little pot holder or grill stand for it. And in all honesty, I dismissed it and I hung it back up on the shelf thinking, what do I need another one of those for? As I got walking around the store, I discovered this little booger sitting over in the grill section. Says, we will walk you. Cute. Evidently it's made by Mr. Barbecue. And this is intended to be sat on your grill top and used for your veggies and stuff. But what caught my eye about it was these little curled handles here on the side. And I thought, man, that looks like it would fit really good right onto that stand. So I grabbed them both. This one was only about $6. Seems pretty heavy duty. It's not very flimsy. Looks like something that might last. And I figured if all else fails, I can always use it on my grill as it was intended. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make 4 cuts or snips at 1/4 inch away from this bar. I did have some concerns about whether or not these little welds would hold up under heat, but I guess we'll find out. Let's find out together. How's that? So I'm going to shut the camera off, get those cut, and I'll get back to you. So I cut up our sign stand, and my original intentions when I first looked at it were to set it up like so, and then take the pieces that we had removed and lay them across and fashion a little pot stand, so to speak. Also took our grill piece out of the packaging so we can get a better look at it. It's got a non-stick surface on it, and like I said, it's pretty durable. Looks like somebody just took a flat piece of steel and drilled it out, put some slots and folded them up, and tack welded the corners. So depending on what kind of tools you have and what kind of shop you have, you might even be able to make a grill similar to this on your own and build it out of whatever materials you want. Pretty happy with this though for $6. I'm not going to complain. I'm going to set it up, build us a fire, and see how well this will hold up under heat. So let's find out. Now before I go throwing this in the fire and getting it all uglified, I did want to take a minute and show you that I discovered after we cut our pieces, we can kind of nest them down inside of there. Take our leftover steaks and we can run them through these holes here. Run them across. One more here. And that'll nest everything inside. It all stays there pretty well. Not falling out. So when you're done using this, you could wash it up and just slide it right down inside of your pack. Another thing that I wanted to point out about this grill is the legs are awful short. So it's going to be difficult to place over some coals or to rake some underneath it. So in retrospect, perhaps I should have purchased 2 of the sign stands and made the legs a little bit longer. Maybe couple inches so that it would still fit inside of the grill for nesting purposes, but still give us 1 or 2 inches of height. Everybody say hi to Janie the cat. So what you cooking, Timber Wookie? Oh yeah, we got some venison smoked Polish sausages here. Notice, custom, not for sale. Been looking forward to these. Yeah, like I was afraid of, those legs are pretty short. I'll let this heat up for a couple of minutes just to make sure that those welds are going to stay and not melt apart. And get my dogs on there before the coals get too cold. Oh yeah. I'm really liking those beveled edges. Keep your sausages from rolling off into the fire. I think everybody's had one of them, oh man, my marshmallow fell off the stick moments. So I can see where this could come in handy. Our little welds in the corners seem to be holding up pretty well. I think these are just about done. Oh yeah, them are looking yummy. Oh yeah. And my Timber Wookie, folks. If you like what you see on my channel, go do it yourself. Heck with the video, I'm gonna go pig out.